service, which is our business legal plans. But if there are any business owners on here, if you own a storefront or have a business that you run, operate outside of your home, you've got employees and things like that, just know that we have a comprehensive business plan for business owners. It covers all the stuff that you as business owners need to be able to handle. It's everything from, debt collection to commercial leases and contractors and, all that kind of stuff. Licensing and registrations and all this stuff that employers have to deal with. We've got you covered there as well. And we've got 3 different options for your business. So get back to the person that invited you so you can go over and discuss our business legal plans if that's something that you feel you may need. All of our services are easily accessible through mobile technology, through a digital apps that you can download to your phone, your mobile device that you might be holding in your hand right now, or through our online portal. So we make everything easily accessible. And guess what, guys? We even throw in some bonus benefits, our member perks. In fact, we have, because of our huge membership base of